Yo, my friend, it's been too long. Time kept moving, but we stayed strong. Back on the road, wheels spin fast. Chasing the wind, no fear, no past. Springtime waking, trees in bloom. Sunlight breaking through the gloom. Paths unknown, we ride, we glide. The world's alive, let's take this ride. We're flying, flying, no looking back. Lost in the moment, no need for a map. Whispers of forest, echo so deep. Secrets of ages, they call us to keep. Wheels cut trails where no one goes. Through the wasteland, silence grows. Foxbones scattered in the dust. What went down, who can we trust? Shadows stretch, the mist runs cold. The cave appears, deep and old. Walls speak stories, voices hum. Truth or myth, what have we become? We're flying, flying, no looking back. Lost in the moment, no need for a map. Whispers of forest, echo so deep. Secrets of ages, they call us to keep. Stone and dust, the ground shakes low. Symbols carved from years ago. A hidden world beneath our feet. But this is our road, this is our fate. Push ahead before it's too late. Two friends free, no chains inside. Let the story burn like fire tonight.